Feeling stiff as a board? Struggling to touch your toes without hearing your spine scream for help? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the simplest yoga poses that will have you feeling flexible, calm, and maybe even a little enlightened without the intimidating headstands. Ready to stretch it out? Let's go. Pose 1, child's pose. This one's basically like napping on the floor, but with intention. Breathe deeply and relax your shoulders. Pose 2, cat-cow. Think of this as the hello your spine gives after a long day of sitting. What's your favorite stretch to do when you're stiff? Drop it in the comments! Quick break! If you're enjoying this so far, imagine how much you'll love what's coming next. I'm talking moves that'll make you the yoga guru of your living room. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, or risk eternal stiffness. Okay, maybe not eternal, but still, just subscribe. All right, back to it. Pose 3, downward dog. This is the yoga poster child. If you're only doing one pose, this is it. Keep your heels reaching toward the mat. Pose 4, warrior 2. Feel powerful like a warrior minus the actual fighting. How balanced are you? Be honest. Any wobblers out there? Pose 5, corpse pose. The grand finale, you just lie there. You've earned it. Congrats, you made it. These poses might seem simple, but consistency is key. Keep practicing, and you'll feel the difference. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who definitely needs to stretch more. I'll see you next time. Namaste, my flexible friends.